Yun, ganda ng
This is Susu Beach. Some of them go down here and take a bath, take ligo there sa public beach kasi wala namang bawal. Yun nga lang, walang signal, so delikado rin.
They created yung ano to. Are we tama?
Pwede ka park doon, din mo ba?
Masyado tao.
Ayan. Sabi ng ano, mga na summer dito, maraming beach sites.
Talaga no? Protected area talaga. Ito yung sinasabi talaga, tamang protected talaga.
Ito eh. It's a natural park. And they have protected it so natural.
Wala talaga siya.
So wala tayong developments also. Like, well, there are big resorts na mahal. Stay here.
So next destination natin is 45. Yun na? 1 hour na?
Hindi, ano yun, pinakamalayo kasi hindi ka matag ngayon dahil walang Korean, walang ano eh, Korean.
Pero along the way, meron pa isa na
Meron pa
naman.
mga sites. But most of them are beaches eh, so na ganun. And talaga siya, yung public beaches siya, so walang entrance, you can just go there, park your car.
Yung Chatan kasi, pinupunta ng mga Australian kung yung scuba diving site. Parang sa atin sa Malbol ata. Malbol natin.
Tomorrow siya emit, no? Which is 1. So hindi pa siya ibalik ang car, di ba?
Hindi pa.
Okay.
1. 2 mo na balik.
So we can go to Miyagi after meeting with them.
Okay.
Miyagi Island, cross the bridge.
Malapit naman kaya crossing lang. Malapit sa Chatan.
Uy, may malaking windmill. There.
Ay, uy, kaganda.
Yeah,
Grabe.
nice.
Ba't mag-isa lang siya?
Sarap.
Huh?
Just one.
Pero malakas na itong generate nito ba?
Yeah. Kasi naman technology ngayon eh, like they don't have to be big anymore, like before it has to be very big and it has to occupy a very big space, parang ito. And then you like, it also
Uy, meron
disturbs the biodiversity of the birds. A new generation of windmills are smaller na.
Galing ah.
Ooh, it's a
Wala pang iba?
Ayan sa
Second.
Mexico.
Dalawa lang sila eh. Lakas na yun.
But this area siguro. Wala naman silang commercial area na maybe just to support some systems. So yung dam actually, nabi ko muna. Can I turn this off?
Okay.